How to change theme color in Microsoft PowerPoint. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open PowerPoint. In here, simply select your color. Then press on Design at the top, and in here you will find different colors. But if you want anything more than these colors, click on arrow-like option. Then click on Colors. In here, you will find different colors of Microsoft. But if you want to customize color, click on Customize Color at the bottom. Then you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you can change color of any color, which is background, accent 1. And after you're done, press on Save. And as you can see, my color has been changed as I customized. And this is how to change theme colors in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.